that can be arranged.
What did you just do?
I made you invisible.
You did?
Yes, I did. You have been the center of attention for too long. And it's time you learn what it's like not to be noticed.
Who do you think you are?
Fairy godmother.
Aren't you supposed to be nice to me?
I was once. I'm the one who made you beautiful when you were a baby. Now, I'm here to correct my error.
Error? That was no error.
It was, Beauty. You may be lovely on the outside, but you are ugly on the inside.
How dare you call me ugly?
You must stay invisible until you learned.
Invisible, huh? This could be fun.
Oh dear.
This is lovely.
Maybe I need to rethink this. Perhaps there is another way. Zippity, mippity, whippity doo. You pick on servants and now they will pick on you!
This is dreadful. Are you sure she's nowhere to be found?
I'm sorry, my king. We have looked everywhere. She has just disappeared.
It's all my fault.
No, it isn't. Sky, gather every available person. And the search must begin immediately. 100 pieces of gold to the one that finds her.
My king, yes, my king.
This is all going according to my plan. Yes, I have a plan. Believe it or not. You think I'm making this up as I go along? Don't you? Well, you'll see. This story will have a happy ending. I'll bet my wand on it. Now, to check on Beauty.
Where am I?
Who are you?
I'm Beauty.
That is very funny name.
What's so funny about it?
Well, you're not exactly.
Oh, what happened? Where are my lovely dresses? Who did this to me? My very good mother did this. Where are you? I demand you to come to me immediately.
She's crazy. Let's go, Meg. See you later, crazy girl. They should call her ugly, not beauty.
Yeah, well, if I weren't so nice, I'd call you a thing or two.
What seems to be trouble?
Hi. I seem to have been greatly wronged and must seek a restitution.
Oh.
Believe it or not, I am Princess Beauty. What's so funny?
Nothing. It's just that you look like nothing like her.
I I know my fairy godmother did this to me. Where is she? It's not funny, fairy godmother. If you don't turn me back now, you'll be sorry.
I thought fairy godmothers were supposed to be helpful.
So did I.
If you're really beauty, why don't you just go home and tell them what happened? You can take a bath and clean up, and it will be okay.
That's an excellent idea. Hello, you stupid servant. Let me in. It's Princess Beauty.
Sorry, but you're not Princess Beauty.
I am so.
You can't possibly be.
Step aside. I want to see my father.
No way! Back off!
Don't touch me.
Don't do that again. Oh, I'll throw you into the dungeon.
No. What am I going to do?
Do you have anywhere else to go?
No. Nowhere.
Come with me. We'll get you cleaned up and fed. Then we'll decide what to do. Are you coming or what?
Have you seen any sign of her yet?
No, Princess.
No one else has seen her?
Oh, sure. Lots of people have claimed the word your father offered. And they say she's anywhere from the stables to the moon. And we even have one peasant come claiming that she was Princess Beauty.
Really?
She looks nothing like her. She was all dirty and ugly.
Did you offer to help her?
Well,
We should help all the people in our kingdom, especially those who are suffering.
I'm sorry, Princess. I will not err again.
Please let us know immediately if there is any sign of my sister Beauty. Well, well, well. Beauty has found herself a handsome pheasant boy. A most unexpected development. A most unexpected pheasant development. A day or so among the little people might be exactly what Beauty needs to see things differently. Now, for the difficult part, I must teleport all of you into Nick's tiny home. It's much smaller than this castle here. If you don't mind, I will shrink it down a bit. You'll be no bigger than mice. You must all agree to stay in hiding though. Oh yes, and watch out for the family cat. He gets awful hungry this time of day. Everyone ready? Here we go. What happened to the lights? What's going on here? Did someone forget to pay the light bill? This is ridiculous. Oh, I suppose all of you are more upset than I am about this. Now, no one panic. I've got everything under control. I've got everything under control. No one panic? I think. Oh, yes, I think.
Here we are.
You live here?
What's wrong? That's right. You're used to your huge castles and all your fancy stuff.
You're making fun of me, aren't you?
I'm sorry. It's just a little hard to believe that you're the princess.
Well, I don't care what you think. I'll get along just fine without you.
Now, don't be like that. You're welcome to stay as long as you like. Aren't you hungry?
Just a little.
Then, eat. You are hungry.
Where's that big family of yours you told me on the way over here?
They're probably out for their afternoon walk. There they are now.
Hello, Nick.
Hello, family. I have a great news.
You found a goose that lays golden eggs?
Almost as good. I won the strong man contest. I won 5 pieces of gold.
That's wonderful. That can feed us for a year.
Well, maybe not a year, but it will sure help.
Who's that, Nick?
Is it your girlfriend?
This is a friend in need.
What's your name?
Beauty. My name is Beauty.
Don't laugh. She may not be beautiful on the outside, but I'm sure she may be beautiful on the inside. That's the most important beauty.
Well said, sister.
Oh, run over, children, and do your chores. Dinner will be ready soon.
If only that were true. I'm afraid I'm ugly inside and out.
You mustn't say that.
But I am ugly on the inside. That was I was turned ugly on the outside too. Because that's what's important to me.
Come with me. Let's fix you up and let's see if we can find that beauty again.
Yes?
I am the royal scribe. We are offering a reward for anyone who knows where Princess Beauty is. 100 pieces of gold.
100 pieces? That's a fortune!
So if you see her,
I will let you know.
good day.
Wait a minute. How do I know if it's her?
She is the most beautiful woman in this kingdom. You can't
What?
miss her.
What if something's happened? What if she got dirty or messed up somehow? How could you tell it was she?
That's a good question. Oh, let me see. I know. She has a birthmark on her foot, which she rarely does. And that's the only one imperfection in her perfect beauty.
Thank you. I'll let you know.
Good day then.
I wonder.
Hi, Nick.
Oh. Hi, Jill.
Aren't you happy to see me?
Well,
I decided to forgive you for insulting me today.
You have? Huh?
Yes, but you're such a brute to me. But I can't help myself. I still like you.
Lucky me.
So do you still want to go dance with me?
I already told you.
It won't cost us anything. I heard Princess Honor is paying for everything.
Princess Honor?
It's her wedding ball. Everyone is invited and it's free.
I heard it was cancelled.
What?
Princess Honor refuses to get married until beauty is found.
Leave it to beauty to ruin my plans? I hope they never find her.
That's a terrible thing to say.
I doubt it. She's so mean and awful. The only good thing about her is her looks.
I'm sure she's a good, honest person like the rest of us.
I doubt it.
So, I guess we don't have to worry about the dance now.
I guess not. Do you want to go for a walk instead?
No thanks.
Why not?
I have a company.
You always have a company.
Guess you'll be going then?
What is name?
Whose name?
Your guest.
You mean her name?
It's a her?
Actually, she says she's Princess Beauty, but she looks nothing like her.
So do you like her?
I just met her.
But do you like her?
There's something about her. Something special.
I can see. I'm not wanted. I better go.
Please don't be mad, Jill.
But I thought you liked me.
I do. As a friend.
But I'm so beautiful. How could you not like me?
There are more important things than beauty.
Fine then, goodbye forever.
I'd be worried about her, but she said the same thing to me last week. Are you finished with your chores? Yes. Are you washed up for dinner? You know the rules? No washing, no dinner. Wow. You look great. What did you do, Janie?
A little scrubbing and a nice dress did a little bit of magic.
You're pretty. Nick thinks so too.
Run along, kids, and wash up.
What's wrong, Beauty?
And don't understand why you've all been so kind to me. I've never done anything for you. I don't have money to give you or anything else.
We are always willing to help those in need.
Before they died, Mother and Father made us promise to always help other people,
Half these kids aren't even really our brothers and sisters.
like us.
But why? You don't owe them anything.
There's more to life than owing people something.
I best go out and get it. It's cooking over the fire outside.
And beauty can help serve.
Serve?
Would you mind?
I've never served anyone.
This is a good time to start.
It's okay, Nick. She shouldn't need to. She's our guest.
Whatever you say. I can't believe you.
What?
Janie was nice enough to clean you up and gives you her best dress. Now, you won't clean her, help her with dinner?
But I'm a princess. We don't serve.
You're a spoiled brat is what you are.
How dare you?
How dare you?
How about you?
Huh?
I can see you serving either.
But I'm a man.
Oh, I see. The woman serve the man. That's how it works.
That's different.
is a totally different altogether.
It's no worse than everyone having to serve the princess.
Wait. Let's not fight. I have an idea. Why don't we both go help Janie?
I suppose that would be a good compromise.
Let's do it.
There goes Nick and his girlfriend. He likes her, doesn't he? I bet he marries her.
He will not.
Will so.
Will not.
Dinner!
Sit, children, and we'll serve you.
I want Beauty to serve me.
I want Beauty to serve me too.
Me too!
Me first.
What do you look like? A servant?
She yelled at me.
Oh, golly.
It's okay, Nick. She didn't mean it.
Quiet! I can stand all that noise! Ah!
Now, look here. You can't just go around and yell at my family. We've tried to be nice to you. And look how you treat us.
Fine, I'll leave.
Beauty, please don't leave. You can stay. I'll take care of you. I'll feed you and make you pretty dresses.
It doesn't matter what I do. You all still like me. I don't understand.
It's because you're beautiful.
Not anymore.
I can see it inside you.
Oh, thank you.
Please let her stay.
Only if she cleans up that bowl of stew she threw down.
I'll do it for her.
No. Only she can do it or she needs to go.
Please, Beauty, please clean it up. We want you to stay.
I'm not mad at you. Please don't go.
Fine, I'll clean it up.
That's good enough.
No. She has to clean it all.
Hey, no, this isn't so bad. In fact, it's almost fun. Give me a broom. I want to clean the rest of the room. This is fun.
Okay. You did it. You can stop now.
No, this is great. I never had this kind of fun.
I've created a monster.
Beauty attacked every piece of dirt like she was dwelling an evil fire-breathing dragon. Take the dirt, take that! She cleaned until the sun faded in the west, and she couldn't see the end of the broom anymore. She was tired and forever transformed. Yeah, that was great.
You're finally done?
I even cleaned the bottom of the table.
I can't believe it.
I've never enjoyed myself that much before, and I've never been this tired.
You were incredible. It would have taken us a week to do that much cleaning. You have paid us back and more.
Finally, a compliment.
I have been kind of hard on you.
Kinda. I've never been treated so poorly.
This was definitely a day of first for you.
You can say that again.
What's wrong?
My feet, they hurt so badly.
It's those shoes. They look too small for you.
Maybe so.
Can I take them off for you?
No, that's fine. I'm okay.
No, really. I'll rub them for you.
Oh, a foot rub. How I miss those.
May I?
No.
Please?
Oh, I'm too tired to argue. I'll have to warn you.
The birthmark. The birthmark. The birthmark.
Isn't it ugly? Nick, what's wrong?
You're the princess.
I have been trying to tell you that.
Oh, Your Highness. I'm so sorry.
Nick, please don't grovel. That's why I liked you. You didn't feel you had to treat me that way. I'm just a normal peasant girl now.
But why?
My stupid fairy godmother did this to me. Correction! My smart fairy godmother. She made me like cleaning. It worked, fairy godmother! It worked! I'm happy not being my beauty. I never thought I could live without my beauty, but I guess I can.
Who said you weren't beautiful?
I look so dreadful.
I don't think you look so bad.
Really?
Really. You look good enough to kiss. What are you all doing in here? You're supposed to be in bed.
We wanted to see you kiss her.
Go back to bed now. Sorry about that.
That's okay.
So, what do we do now?
I don't know.
Should I go get the scribe? We can show him your birthmark, and then you can go home.
And then you can get your 100 gold pieces for bringing back home.
How did you know about that?
Janie told me.
I don't want any reward.
You're crazy not to take it.
I should be paying them 100 pieces of gold for letting me spend time with you.
But I've been so terrible to you and your family.
You may have upset me at times, but there's something about you, the way you are, that makes me never want to let you go. It's not your beauty. It's you.
Oh, Nick.
You're a very good mother. Took your beauty on the outside and put it on the inside.
Thank you.
No, let's thank your fairy godmother.
You called?
There you are! I ought to give you a big hug.
Wow, this is certainly a change.
I can't thank you enough for what you've done.
Perhaps I overdid it a bit.
I suppose you're going to change your back now.
I can and I will.
No, wait. I just get used to being this way.
But Don't you want to be a princess?
But if I become a princess, I can be with you.
You'd give up all that for me?
You and your family were so good to me. You're the first one who cared for me for who I really am, not what I look like. And I feel so good. Before I just felt bad all the time.
Oh, what to do, what to do? Fairy godmother rules say I must change you back since you learned your lesson.
Can't you break them? Just this once?
But what about your family, Beauty?
Oh my goodness. I forgot about them. How awful of me.
Nobody's perfect.
Especially not me.
Beauty?
What will it be, Beauty?
Why can't I have both?
Both?
Both Nick and my family.
Beauty,
Yes, Nick?
you must go.
But Nick!
Your family needs you. I know what it's like to lose someone you love. It leaves an emptiness in your heart that you can never feel. When my parents died,
If you think that's what's best,
I do.
then I'll better go.
You can be any way you want to be now. I promise.
I'll miss you, Beauty.
I'll miss you too.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Here we go.
It's so dark.
Something's wrong?
Are we home yet?
I'm afraid not. I wonder who that is. I guess we won't know because I can't find the door.
What's the spell for turning on lights? Yes, I know. Yes,
I've got the
that's
door.
easy.
It's me, Nick. I've brought someone.
Sister! Father!
Beauty, is that you?
What happened to you? Something wonderful.
I don't understand.
I haven't been the nicest person in the world. And my fairy godmother here decided to turn me inside out.
Oh, I'm glad you're safe.
I don't know what would have happened to me if it hadn't been for Nick.
Nick,
Yes, Your Highness.
please rise. Hello, children.
Are you really the king?
Yes, I am.
I don't believe you.
Cindy, show some respect.
That's okay. She seems like a sweet girl.
Thank you all for taking care of me. You've all been so wonderful.
Are you leaving us?
Please don't go.
She must go. She's a princess.
But I don't want to go back to the way I was. I want my new life.
What are you saying? You don't have to come home?
I just don't want to become who I was before. I can never be as good as Honor.
What do you mean?
I'm still not as beautiful as you are, sister. I don't think I ever can be.
But you're the most beautiful woman in the entire kingdom.
I used to think so, but not anymore. Now I think you've always been the most beautiful. We just couldn't see it.
I can return your beauty to you now.
No, I don't think I want my beauty anymore.
I think you're beautiful now.
Please don't change, Beauty.
I don't think I will.
Father, can't we let Beauty stay here?
My daughter? A peasant? Never!
Then why don't you get rid of the peasants?
What?
That's terrible. What I mean is, we will make all the peasants nobles, lords, and ladies. We can give some of all our riches, and they can all live as well as we do.
I suppose you could do that.
Oh, please, Father.
Okay, we'll do it.
Wasn't that a touching story? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm a sucker for a happy ending. Things will never be the same in the kingdom again. Peasants were freed from their burden of taxes, and numerous holidays were declared for the upcoming weddings for beauty to Nick and honor to Andres. And they all live happily ever after. Of course, me, I'm off to Hawaii for our centennial fairy godmother convention. This is quite a show, almost as good as this one. Bye now!
Beauty.
Yes, Nick?
Will you marry me?
Should I marry you?
I suppose I will.
Okay, a big round of applause to the cast of Beauty is a Beast. Okay, we have our second special feature for tonight. This is the quest for the royal heart. Okay, we are distributing pieces of paper. It's in a form of a heart. It's a heart-shaped paper. Okay, you'll pick one heart. Okay, each one should pick one heart. Hearts are colored red. There are hearts that are colored what? Yellow, lavender, green, black. What else? Okay. The heart is a common symbol of what? Love. Okay. Ancient alchemists used the symbol of the heart for incantations of love. The heart can represent an inverted triangle in which love is poured or carried. In Buddhism, the triangle is an invocation of love energy associated with the divine. The heart can also represent the wings of a dove, which was sacrificed on ancient Israel. It's a gesture of love, which also served as symbol of Aphrodite, the Greek goddess of love. Okay, they have the hearts now. What color do you have, Chikoy? Red. Okay. Why do you select that red colored heart? Why do you select that red colored heart? Okay. There is that special colored heart. Now there is that one special colored heart among the rest. And we will be calling him or her at the stage. So we'll be calling in a while. Picked your heart. At this side, you haven't picked yet. No? Okay? Okay? Those who have picked the violet colors, kindly raise it. Raise. Okay. How about the pink colored heart? Okay. So many of you. How about the green? Is there a green colored heart? Okay, there is. There is some over there. Okay. Okay. I'm sure many of all of you have picked your card. Okay? Okay. Is there anyone who has received the black colored heart? The one that is colored black. Okay. It's Adrian. Adrian, can you come up the stage? Can you come up the stage? Adrian? Okay. Please give a round of applause to Adrian. Okay. We'll let you sit on that throne. Okay, you will be blindfolded. And then we will be calling, or we will ask you to choose what color do you like. Is it pink, violet, orange? What else? Green? What else? Green, violet. What color do you want?
Violet.
Okay, violet. All those who have picked their violet colors, please come up the stage. Please come up the stage. Those who have picked their violet colored heart, please come up the stage. Okay? Only the ladies who have violet colored heart. Okay. Keep quiet. Just keep quiet. You form a line. You form a line. Princesses, you form a line. Okay. Here we go. These beautiful princesses. Okay. You can. Okay, you can hold the hands and you select 5 princesses. You select 5